Chanchal, do you know what? I love my school.
Yes, I know, and I also love my school. परंतु यूँ अचानक ऐसी बातें क्यों करी तुमने?
क्योंकि मुझे वो दिन आ रहा है जिस दिन इस विद्यालय की नींव रखी गई थी, जिसका श्रेय जाता है इस विद्यालय के निदेशक आदरणीय श्री विकास अग्रवाल सर एवं इस विद्यालय की प्राचार्य आदरणीय श्रीमती शिखा अग्रवाल मैम को।
इन्होंने 7 वर्ष पूर्व इस विद्यालय की नींव रखी थी और तब से लेकर आज तक वे इस विद्यालय को सफलतापूर्वक आगे बढ़ा रही हैं। समय समय पर वे अपने विचारों से हम सभी को सही दिशा प्रदान करती हैं।
आज अपने विचारों से हम सभी को लाभान्वित करने हेतु एवं इस विद्यालय के विकास क्रम पर रोशनी डालने हेतु मैं बुलाना चाहूंगी इस विद्यालय की प्राचार्य आदरणीय श्रीमती शिखा अग्रवाल मैम को।
Please put your hands together to give her a warm welcome.
Honorable Chief Guest of the program, Shri Mahesh Rai ji, our guest of honor, Shri Vijay Hurkar, Dr. A.K. Jain, Principal PG College, Dr. Kala Agrawal, Founder of GNPS, Mr. Dinesh Yadav, BEO, Vinay Agrawal, Principal Gyanodaya, Tamilkar ji, parents, media people, my colleagues, and all the students. A warm welcome to all of you for the 5th annual function of the school. It gives me immense pleasure to address you all as the principal of the school, and I assure you that there would be lot of entertainment and showcase of talents in the next coming hours. Our kids had put lot of efforts to put their talent in front of you. I am privileged to present the annual report of GNPS. Excellence in academics is the hallmark of any academic institution like school, and we have proved our academic excellence in the years before. And we promise you that in the coming years, when our students will be facing the board examinations for the first time, we will prove that academic excellence once again with a bright and 100% result. Last year saw varied events and happenings that touched us, inspired us and taught us. Infrastructure and the system of the school is far better than some of the best schools, which gives the student the confidence and the factor of self-realization, as well as they get feel of corporate world. We share the ideology, build your dreams, or someone else will hire you to build your dreams. So we not only teach students for their academic skills, but we are also teaching them the skills of leadership, social etiquettes, groom them to be successful citizens who know their responsibility and perform them without the loss of moral values. The whole teaching staff meets the professional requirements for teaching for the holistic and 360-degree development of a child. In the previous year, students participated in Olympiad exams conducted in various subjects, in which Pratyush Tiwari, class 5th, got 69th rank in state level International Maths Olympiad. Drashi Jain, class 4th, got 123rd rank in state level Maths Olympiad. Saksham Samaya got gold medal in Maths Olympiad. In 6th International English Olympiad, Utsav Jain got merit. In successfully implemented Abacus UC Mass program, our students got remarkable success. Abacus state level competition was held at Indore. 46 students participated in the competition. Aditya Narayan Rawat became first runner-up and Rashmi Ahirwar became second runner-up. 2 students become champion and 22 students have secured their rank in merit. International UC Mass Abacus competition held at Jaipur. 5 students participated in it, out of which 2 students, Arpita Sundrani and Aditya Narayan Rawat, have secured their names in merit. Garvit Pathak of class 3rd got Certificate of Excellence in Junior Editor competition organized by Dainik Bhaskar. Students also got certificates in Sanskrit Gyan Pariksha and Gandhi Gyan Pariksha. In sports, our students got remarkable success this year. They participated in various sports competitions at district level, state level. In Kabaddi, 12 students participated in district level, 2 students, Manav Kapoor and Fahad Khan, selected in division level. In Kho-Kho, 24 students participated in district level, 7 students selected in division level. In volleyball, 8 students participated in district level, 2 students, Abhay Dangi, Anurag Bundela, selected in division level. In table tennis at district level, 8 students participated, 3 students selected in division level, and at state level, competition held in Gwalior, 3 students, Vasupendra Yadav, Anshika Tiwari and Bhumika Sahu take part in it. GNPS will be known for only one thing, and that is excellence. Excellence in academics, sports, performing art, social recognition, leadership, behavior, discipline. Rather, we can say excellence in each and every field. Our major focus is now that all our students and teachers should share equal level of responsibilities, and they should be responsible as well as accountable for whatever they do. Our efforts are to build intrinsic motivation amongst them so that they can do things on their own. We all teachers and members of this family always work in collaboration with parents, because ultimately holistic development of a child is the main aim, and that aim should be collectively we are sharing with the parents. So I must sincerely thank each parent for their unrelenting support and hope they will continue to support in our all small and big endeavors. As our journey continues, we take new challenges, new solutions and new heights. We know ideas will be born, to be discarded, to be adopted, to succeed and to damn. But we shall not cease for exploration. I like to conclude by saying, present thinking people may kill the future. So all of us should try to explore the needs of the future world and think on those grounds to give our kids a better future. Thank you and enjoy this party evening.